Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you another junk journal I have made. This is the second one I made. The first one I put it on eBay. I was glad I actually sold it. Compared to other junk journal, I sold it pretty cheap, but it was for me it was I'm not very professional, so I just making this for fun. Anyhow, so let me show you this one. I'm also using, I think it's Tin Hall's distress paper at front and at the back as well. And for the side, I actually use another paper pipe from leftovers. And you can see I have wax threads. And so the first page, I actually coated with Mod Podge. Sorry about my dog. And I made an envelope pocket, and there's some goodies in the pocket, like small car feminine. Okay. I didn't make too much of it because I gave people more room to create their own. This is not mine, so I don't want to make it too personal. And then there's some papers, leftover papers, and also paper, coffee dye paper, and some like watercolor a little bit, and watercolor papers. This notebook. And this is the same. Sorry about my dog. God, there's UPS here. And then this is the just junk mail envelope. So I coffee dyed it, and then also put some collage, also some good goodies. This is like bookmarks right here. And I laminated the bookmarks. Okay. So, I put a lot of pages. There's 3 signature, but each one have a lot, and I have small pocket here. And it's the same. I figure I guess I can leave some room just in case people want to add more signatures. You can still have space for that. Otherwise, you can put more stuff. Once you put a lot of your own decoration, I'm sure this is gonna be full. So, and then at the back, I kind of collage with different paper. And then that's it. I try to keep it simple. Hope you'll like it. I'm gonna put it on eBay to see if someone will interested in it. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for any update videos. I'm gonna make a junk journal for Christmas theme or for winter holiday thing. Stay tuned. Ciao.